Here the probability of a rat having mutation A is P of A, probability of A, that means is equals to 43 by 100. Similarly, the probability of a rat having mutation B. So here we are calculating for B. P of B is equals to 37 by 100 given in the question. Now same for C. We are calculating probability of C is equals to 37 by 100. Now for D, probability of D is equals to 35 by 100. Now here we can see we have calculated different probabilities of mutation having A, B, C, D. Now moving further, we want to find the probability of selecting exactly 2 rats with mutation. This can happen in several ways. So we will consider all combination. So here combination mutation A and mutation B. 2 rats. So here we are multiplying with P of A with P of B. Similarly, second, what will happen? Mutation A with mutation C. So simply we will multiply P of A into P of C and mutation A with D. So probability of A with probability of D and B with C, probability of B mutation, probability of C mutation. Now here again it can happen with probability of B. So we multiply with probability of D. So moving further, probability of C in multiplication with probability of D. Now putting all these together and doing the sum to find the exactly 2 rats having the genetic mutation. So here we will consider P, 2 rats with mutation, is equals to P of A in multiplication with P of B plus P of A in multiplication with P of C, P of A in multiplication with P of D plus P of B in multiplication with P of C, P of B in multiplication with P of D plus P of C in multiplication with P of D. So here we have calculated different probabilities. Now we are adding all together to find the given answer or given question solution. So here we are putting values together. 43 by 100 into 37 by 100 plus 43 by 100 in multiplication with 37 by 100 plus 43 by 100 in multiplication with 35 by 100 plus 37 by 100 in multiplication with 37 by 100 plus 37 by 100 in multiplication with 35 by 100 plus, this is the last one, 37 by 100 into or in multiplication with 35 by 100. So adding these together after multiplication, what we will get? We will get as the final answer 2 by 9. This is the answer for rats who having 2 mutation, or we can say probability of 2 rats with mutation. This is our final answer for the given question.